Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. Product link is in the description below. This portable extender is designed for families, professionals, and gamers who want simple, cable-free streaming of video and audio from laptops, PCs, TV boxes, or projectors. The design is compact and practical, with both transmitter and receiver units finished in black for a clean look. Their portable size makes them easy to carry and set up in different environments, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. The plug-and-play functionality eliminates complicated installation, appealing to users who want convenience and reliability. Performance is where this kit shines. Supporting both 2.4G and 5G wireless transmission, it delivers stable connections with minimal latency. Video streams in full HD, ensuring clear visuals for movies, presentations, and gaming. Audio is transmitted seamlessly alongside video, maintaining synchronization for an immersive experience. The extender kit is ideal for situations where running long HDMI cables isn't practical, offering flexibility without sacrificing quality. Connectivity and usability are highlights. The kit works with laptops, PCs, TV boxes, and projectors, making it versatile across devices. Plug-and-play setup means no drivers or software are required. Simply connect the transmitter to the source device and the receiver to the display. The wireless range supports larger rooms, making it suitable for classrooms, conference halls, and living rooms. The system is designed to be intuitive, ensuring even non-technical users can set it up quickly. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with reliable components, the kit is engineered for consistent performance. Its portable design makes it easy to transport, while the dual-band wireless ensures adaptability to different environments. The combination of simplicity, portability, and performance makes it a practical solution for everyday streaming needs. Use cases are broad. For families, it enables wireless movie nights. For professionals, it simplifies presentations.